How to remove someone on Snapchat group. If you've ever been in a Snapchat group chat and needed to remove someone but didn't know how, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you exactly how to remove someone from a Snapchat group with this easy step-by-step guide. First things first, open Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply go to your chat section. Simply swipe right. This will take you to your chat list where you can see all your ongoing conversations and a group chat. Simply find the group chat that you want to manage. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group name or simply at the top of the screen to access the group settings. Now scroll down to the list of members. This is where you'll manage or find the person you want to remove. Simply hold it, tap and hold it, and simply click on remove from group. And that's it. Once you simply click on remove from group, and a confirmation prompt may appear whether you want to simply confirm that that you want to remove this person from the group. Simply click on remove, and that's it. That's how you can simply remove someone from your group in Snapchat.